Good morning. My name is Don Martin. I own Martin Properties. We write thereasonablerealtor.com, thereasonablerealtor.com. I've left a link for you down below in the comment section to make it easy for you to find. Great source of information about selling your own house. If you are interested in selling your own house, go there and pull down the menu section, pull down the services, and go to list your house in the MLS. At any rate, I wanted to stop by today because there are some of you that are possibly in Spring Hill, uh, thinking about selling your house, Googling your house. You see a lot of returns on MLS flat fee listing or however you put it in there. And some of the returns say add. Um, that's a lot of money, and those people usually have national maps so that they can get a little bit of money from 50 different states. I'm here in Tennessee, from Memphis to Knoxville, Chattanooga to Nashville. I've been doing this a little over 36 years. So we're getting to the point where we fairly well know what we're doing. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com, pull down the services section. My number's on there. Call me. I'm 10 digits away. Or you can email me, or you can get on and put on your list and get it started in the middle of the night if you want to. At any rate, don't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted you to say, go to the website. Let me know if there's anything I can do to help you. There should be a red square right over here. If you can, hit that square and subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will not be sending you a bunch of emails. I promise you that. Uh, that will help me quite a bit, but watch this to the end, the video to the end. That will help me as well. I will be back tomorrow, so let me know if there's anything else I can do for you.